So if you have the Z Flip 6 from Samsung, this is one of my favorite cases for this thing. Check this out. It has this really cool design and a really cool extra accessory we'll come back to in a second. Protective film that you can peel off, an adhesive strip there too, just to keep it on your phone a lot more protective. So watch, we're just gonna pop this on here now. Here's the bottom part that will protect the base, and it's got soft felt here and like a smooth padding here, and even like felt here. They really thought of everything. It's a really beautiful design. I love the back, but let's pop this thing on. So just like that, very simple. And look at how cool this thing is. What a cool, first of all, the phone's awesome, but you have access to all of your buttons, really cool volume buttons. You can have access to your fingerprint scanner. You have holes that are cut out for the mics and everything that you need. And yeah, look at that. Just a really cool looking design. And then you have this kickstand here that's like magnetically in place, even like little felt here. That's amazing. So this will set your phone up any way you want, depending on how you want to use it. And even when it's opened up, you can set it up like that. So I like this one a lot, and I love that like magnetic bit. It's a really cool kickstand. I highly recommend this. And thanks for watching.